Recording entries in the sales book. Recording the following sales in the sales book. On 1/4/2012. Okay, so the date is 1/4/2012. Goods worth rupees 10,000. The price is 10,000, sold to XYZ Limited. So the buyer is XYZ Limited on credit. Obviously these have to be credit, otherwise these cannot be recorded in the sales book. And a trade discount of 5% was given on such sales. Okay. Now date I have already written. In the particulars column I need to write the name. If I were to ask you what is the entry made for credit sales, what will you say? You will say I will debit the debtor or the buyer XYZ Limited, debit to sales account, right? So whenever the sales account is credited, okay, it's basically the case of sale of goods and material which the company is dealing in on credit, then it is recorded in the sales book. Let me give the heading also out here. So in the particulars column you write the name of the buyer, which is XYZ Limited, right? Then you write the details. Goods sold on credit. What is the price? 10,000. That will come in the details column. Why? Because there is a trade discount. Less trade discount. How much is that? 5%. So 500. The net amount goes to the amount column. Right? The invoice number you're not given, but let it be A1. Let the ledger folio of sales be 5. Now, some other points which you should note here in addition to this entry is, if these were not on credit but on cash, then these will not be recorded here. Cash sales not recorded. If instead of goods it said on this date you sold furniture, which is an asset, again it will not be recorded here. Why? Because we record the sale of material or goods in which the company deals in. Yes, if you are a purchaser or seller of furniture, then this becomes your trading item, in which case you will record it here, right? But if the sale is of an asset, and depends on what kind of a business you are, if the sale is of an asset, that is not recorded in the purchase book. Cash sales are not recorded in the sales book, right?